Welcome back. Hey, I'd like to share with you today an unsolicited testimonial. I was contacted and told what a great flower year they had using the Dairy Dew products. So I'd just like to share that with you today. And I hope you like the videos. If you do, hit that like button, turn on your notifications, and subscribe to the channel. But please join us today for How Are My Flowers Doing in Dairy Dew. Okay, let the sun begin. Check out these beautiful flowers in this flower bed, and we're gonna meet the lady that grew them.
All right, so in last year I had nothing. It's October 1st. I had nothing here. It was barren. And this year I changed it up just a little bit, and I used some Dairy Dew. Dairy Dew. That's all I did different. I did all the other fertilizations and everything. Look at my plants. These plants are just incredible. I mean, just absolutely incredible.
For October 1st?
Yes, October 1st.
Today's October 1st.
Yeah, October 1st. So here's my trendles. I love trendles. I love them all the time. And they just keep growing. They're growing up here. So yeah, again, it's October 1st. And I put these in my flower bed because I thought it would look really pretty. And, you know, yeah, my flowers overgrew them. So they don't really do a whole lot. So no, if you guys have not bought Dairy Dew, you need to. That's the only thing I did different this year, is I just kind of put it in with my soil. I didn't even actually water it as much as I usually do because that's how perfect it was.
Well, yeah, with the Rain-Mageddon.
Yes, the Rain-Mageddon.
The Rain-Mageddon in this awning right here, you probably got just enough rain blowing in that it was probably just the right amount.
Yep. So
you didn't get drowned.
It's absolutely beautiful this year. So yes, I could not be more happy with, because I spend quite a lot of money on my flowers to make the front of my house look pretty. And so yeah, so go and get your Dairy Dew.
All right, we thank you for your testimonial. It's an unsolicited testimonial, and I appreciate it. If any other people have had some great experience with Dairy Dew, please contact me or write in the comments below. Tell us about your experience, and find a retailer. You can go to dairydew.com. I'll put the link in the description box, and so check that out. Awesome, awesome organic and natural Dairy Dew products from Sears, Michigan. Hey, thank you for joining us today. I hope you enjoyed the video, one of Bubba's short blips. And I'd like to congratulate Stefano in Italy. I'm not going to try to say your last name, not going to butcher it, Bubba the Butcher, all right? But congratulations on the new world record pumpkin, 2,702 pounds to Stefano. Congratulations, awesome job. Check out our other videos. We have giant pumpkins, giant watermelons, Bubba's Home Fix-It tips. And I want to thank you. I'll thank you very much for joining us today. And remember, keep it a secret, but go tell a friend. Bubba's sharing growing tips and testimonials around the world.